I'm the chief marketer here at JME Financial. We help people solve income tax and insurance problems. I want to talk to you and give you a few quick reasons why you need to structure an account at, IRS, at www.irs.gov. This account allows you to take control of your uh, taxpaying life. It allows you to pull transcripts, so you can view what's been sent to you as far as W-2 to 1099s. You can view years that you filed or haven't filed. You help reconcile. You can find out if you've been audited, okay, or you had to deal with an audit letter. You can change information like your address, etc., etc. And here's why some of these things are important. I'm gonna give you some quick examples, and I'm gonna get out y'all's hair because I know it's getting kind of late. If you're here's my favorite example, because we're in Texas and we have a lot of guys that are busting humps out there at the chemical factories. They're doing shutdowns. They're working these extended hours, and these companies that pay these guys, how should I say it? They're outside contractors. So they have this interesting mix of W-2s and 1099s, and they have a bunch of them, a whole bunch of them. You are a prime candidate. Somebody needs to be able to access all his current year 1099 and W-2s whenever they need to. Let's say you decide you want to self-file 1 year, or you want to start using TurboTax. So you want to switch. You want to switch tax professionals. It would be good for you. In some cases, mandatory, especially if you're trying to use an online service to file yourself, to be able to pull up your adjusted gross income from a prior tax year. And you can do so if you can pull up your transcripts through irs.gov. It's going to be important to be applying for, if you or a dependent is applying for financial aid, for college, for vocational training. You go to the University of Houston, go Cougs, or you're thinking about going to barber school, or you're thinking about being a plumber, and you go to San Jacinto, HCC, or Longshore College. Those are a few examples of institutions that offer excellent vocational training, where you might need to provide a FAFSA to qualify for financial aid, and be able to access your transcripts is a good start to that. So this is a few reasons why having access to your tax documents are a good thing. And we've already mentioned dealing with audits or dealing with prior year taxes that haven't been unfiled. If I haven't mentioned, I'm mentioning them right now. Those are even more reasons. So if you got questions about something tax-wise, and you want to ask, one more reason, I left this out. If we pull your tax return from a prior tax year, right now we're still dealing with 2022. So if you don't have your tax documents, hey, I'm putting this on wax, right? Hey, reach out to us and we'll get them to you ASAP. That's not a problem. If you need those tax documents after the tax season, we normally charge $25 at least to pull prior year tax documents off for each tax year. And here's why. Because our attitude is we already gave them to you. It's a different tax year. It's somewhat inconvenience to go into a different program, a different computer, a different office. We'll do it for you and we'll help you as much as we can, but we have to charge you for the labor. So to avoid that, of course, make sure you double check. It's okay to ask that. It's okay to ask for that tax year, but make sure you try to double check in that tax year. Don't get me wrong. Everybody has situations. We'll try to work with you, but I hate for you to come in running and need something for us at the last second, and we have to kind of shoo you away because we're just that busy, or worse, you need them right away. And it's not that somebody want to get them to you and accommodate you. This office is just busy at that time, and nobody can get to you at the speed that you would like. So if for whatever reason you walk out the office and let's just say the dog ate your 2021 tax return, and we're going into the 2023 tax season, 2024 year, dude, just go ahead, just save yourself some time and go to set your www.irs.gov account up and pull them for free. If you need us to pull them for you because whatever reason you're not computer savvy, you're not familiar with the process, we'll do it. But you need to have an irs.gov account to save yourself and us a bunch of time. While we're on this subject, if you received a letter from the IRS requesting more information about a prior year tax return that was filed by this office or any office, if we file it, we assist all our clients with any type of audits for free. If we didn't file it, if you're a long-time client, just bring it here, or a new client who's just something happened 1 year. With COVID, everything was kind of topsy-turvy. Like I said, with the tax with the 1099 W-2s, you might have forgot one year, or maybe you had a source of income that got paid to you. You know how to account for it. Here's what I expect a lot of my clients to be having problems with. This isn't really a problem per se, but people took those disbursements out during 2000 in the height of COVID, 2020, 2019 tax year, 2020 tax year. 2021. If you switch preparers, the way my software is set up, what's the best way to say it? The way my software is set up, you're gonna see like an auto flow of those prior year withholdings, the prior year's disbursements divided up on based on how you want to divide it up. Most of the time, it's been 3 equal payments divided equal down the middle. And each year, it'll get a little bit get taxed into your taxable income, tacked on to. That's TACKED, not TAX, your personal income. If you switch up tax preparers, they don't have a record of that, and you're gonna be sitting around like, why am I being audited? What does this guy do? Well, he just told you right now, you forgot that you have some taxable income to deal with. And I've been trying to reach out to people who I haven't seen, let's say, for this year, to let them know that's something that's not going to go away. If you got under control, you got under control. If you got questions, and I wonder if it's going to be me or not, reach out to us, okay? With that being said, you guys have a great night. It's about time for me to shut down. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching and listening to my jabble through this very long spiel. I will include some notes below for you guys to go over to kind of recap what I just said. Well, the Cliff Notes version anyway, the short version. With that being said, have a great night. I'll talk to you later, okay?